chapter at maraming salamat sa pagpunta niya dito sa headquarters. And ngayon ay sa araw na ito, July 8 o July 9, 2022, by the power vested on me as the President of Filipino Family Club International Inc. Worldwide, Cordillera Solid FFCI chapter is hereby acknowledged. Right? At ngayon ay manunumpa po kayo sa aking harapan upang gampanan ang inyong mga tagtungkulan bilang opisyal ng inyong chapter. Right? Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, having been elected as the
chapter president of the Family Club Cordillera Solid Chapter,
do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability
You are not Marcos Scammer!
Ako ay ex-convict, convicted criminal at scammer.